Morning children. Already we finished our 11th lesson, that is chapter 11 principles of metallurgy. Why I am repeating, this is important for your FA3 portion. For FA3 is principles of metallurgy. Here we will discuss about ore, mineral, metal. Ore, mineral, metal. Metallurgy is a process of extracting metals from their ores. What is a metallurgy? Actual extracting of metals from their ores is known as metallurgy. Here we are going to discuss occurrence of metals in the nature. Few metals occurs in nature in oxide form. If you see the table, you can see that the bauxite, it is in a oxide form, and zincsite, it is of a oxide form. Copper iron pyrites, it is also, that is not a oxide, sulfide form. Zinc blend, sulfide form. Magnesite MgCO3, it is of oxide form. So if we check the table, some ores are present in the oxide form, some are present in a sulfide form, and some are present in a carbonate form also. Chlorides, sulfides, carbonates, and oxides. So from this, if you check, you will notice that ores we have many metals are oxides and sulfides. That is why oxygen, sulfur are called a halogen family. The metals like calcium, sodium, magnesium, aluminium are more reactive, so reactive, and based on the reactive elements are classified, metals are classified into three: high reactive metals, moderate, and low reactivity metals. So this is known as activity series. It is known as a activity series. Now extraction of metals from the, how many types metals are classified? Three, based on their reactivity: high reactivity elements, low reactivity, moderate. So based on the reactivity, we are going to extract the metals. Extraction of metals from the ores can be done in three processes. That is concentration or dressing, extraction of a crude metal, refining or purification. So what are the three processes involved in extraction? First one is a concentration or a dressing. This is the flow chart complete, it explains about the lesson. Concentration or dressing of the ore is nothing but a treatment done to the ore. Concentration dressing means simply get rid of as much as unwanted impurities like a clay and sand are called ganj. This method is known as concentration and dressing. And concentration and dressing can be done in four ways. That is physical properties, physical methods, that is hand picking, washing, foot flotation, magnetic substitution. What is a hand picking? If the ore or the impurity are differ in their properties like color and size, then use the property of a hand, they can separate. This method is known as a hand picking. Washing, if ore particles are crushed and kept in a slopy surface, if ore or the impurities, if they have the less density and more dense particles, at that time you can use this technique, washing. Fourth flotation, this method is mainly useful for sulfide ores which have no wetting property, whereas impurities get wetted by mixing with water and it is taken in a flotation cell. Air under high pressure is blown into that. Then a fourth will form on the surface which consisting of a ore and the impurities are settled down. Now magnetic separation. If ore or one of the will have the magnetic substance, then which method you will use? Magnetic substitution. And these two diagrams also important. In your FA3 also I am going to give the diagrams. In your board exam also, expected diagrams you are going to get from these principles of metallurgy, SPD orbitals. Extraction of crude metal from the ore and reduction of purified ore to the metal. Extraction of metal from the ore depends upon the reactivity. Based on the reactivity, elements are classified into three. So extraction of the top of the activity series. So what is activity? The method used in particular metal for reduction of its ore. Metal depend mainly in the position of metal, activity series. So for top series, calcium, potassium, sodium, a simple reduction methods like heating with carbon monoxide to reduce O's of these metals are not feasible. The temperature required for this process is very expensive, too high and is very expensive. To make the process economical, electrolysis method has to be adapted. But this also is little bit expensive to do that, not feasible, because water in the solution would be discharged in the cathode. The only valuable method to extract the metals from the electrolysis method of fused compounds. For example, sodium we want to extract from sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is electrolyzed with the steel cathode and graphite rods. The metal sodium will be deposited in the cathode and anode. So this is the one method. Electrolysis method is used where the corresponding metal itself it is taken as a electrolyte, the liquid component. Okay. Extraction of middle orders activity series like iron, zinc and lead, copper. The ores of this metal are generally present in sulfide or carbonate ores, and therefore prior to reduction of these ores of these metals they must be converted into metal oxides. They are present in generally in a carbonates. So what is the main important? They should converts into oxides. Sulfurs are converts into oxide by heating them strongly in presence of air. Heating in presence of air is known as roasting. Generally, sulfide ores are roasted to convert them into oxide before reducing to metal. Here, PBS, lead sulfide, is roasted in presence, means reacted in presence of oxygen, form lead oxide and sulfur dioxide. And the metal oxides are again reduced to corresponding metals by using suitable reducing agent. So, second method, metal oxide again reduced with metal with suitable agent with carbon. So the oxides are reduced to coke, reduced by coke in a closed furnace which gives the metal and carbon monoxide. See that lead oxide reacts with the carbon and heated. When it is heated up to 1400 degrees Celsius, we will get a lead and carbon monoxide. And second way, reduction of oxide with carbon monoxide. Iron oxide is reduced with carbon monoxide and forms a metal. So auto self reduction. If the extraction of calcium from its sulfide ore, the ore is subjected to partial roasting in air to give its oxide. Copper sulfide plus carbon gives rise to copper oxide plus sulfur dioxide. Reduction of ores by more reactive metals. So you know a thermite process, where thermite process involves reduction of metal oxides with aluminium. Reduction of metal oxides with aluminium when highly reactive metals such as sodium, calcium, aluminium are used as a reducing agents. They displace metals of lower reactive elements from the compound. These displacement reactions are highly exothermic. The amount of heat elbowed is so large, the metals produced are in the state is molten state. So what is the reduction of ores by more reactive metals? See here, titanium chloride TiCl4 is reacted with magnesium, sodium, magnesium, calcium, aluminium. So it will get a Ti plus MgCl2, magnesium chloride, and with a huge amount of heat, and that heat is used to join the railway cracked parts, and it is used in welding purpose and join the railway railings. This process is known as thermite process. The reaction of iron oxide and iron oxide with aluminium produces a molten iron which is used to join railway parts, railings and cracked machine parts. This method is known as thermite process. So second reactive metals can be reduced in 4 ways. First, it can be heated in presence of oxygen, it is said to be reduced, and it can be reacted with carbon monoxide, and it can be reduced with sulfide ores. Last one is a thermite process. This is a second type of reactive metals. Third, extraction of metals at the bottom of the activity series. Metals at the bottom of activity series are often found in nature in free state. Their reactivity with other atoms is very low. The oxides of these metals can be reduced to metals by heat alone or sometimes displacement from their equations, aqueous solution. So metals at the bottom of activity series are very found in nature in free state. If not, just oxides of metals can be reduced to metals by heating alone. Just by heating you can place, or by displacement also you can get the metal back. These are the three types of extraction. Now purification. In extraction of metals we will follow the three steps, that is a concentration or dressing, extraction of metals, purification. Concentration dressing is the first treatment done to remove the unwanted impurities as much as possible, like a sand and clay is known as concentration or dressing. And then concentration and dressing can be done in a physical as well as mechanical methods, that is a hand picking, washing, full flotation and magnetic separation. After that, next process is extraction. Extraction of the metal can be done based on the reactivity series. There is said to be activity series. Based on this reactivity, elements are classified into three types: high reactivity elements, moderate reactivity elements, low reactivity elements. And high reactive elements are extracted directly by electrolysis. It needs a high temperature. Directly we can heat, but it needs more temperature and is expensive. So to avoid that, it can be electrolysis. That also expensive, but corresponding electrolyte can be taken as a process in this process. So there it little bit cheaper compared to that. Now medium bottom moderate reactive activity series, middle activity series can be extracted in self reduction, auto reduction and thermite process, and reduction to oxide first. Always mostly they are present in a carbonate and sulfide ores, so that they are heated in presence of air. First they should convert into metal. Afterwards it reacts and forms into corresponding metals. Okay. And thermite process is nothing but high reactive element reacts with some elements reacts with the high reactive elements and displaces. So while displacing it, you releases huge amount of heat, and that heat makes our iron to molten state, and molten iron is used to join the cracked railway parts, machine parts and railings. This method is known as a thermite process. And low reactive activity series metals can be extracted directly. Mostly they are present in nature in a free state. If they combine also directly by heating, we will get the metal, or by displacement we can get the metal back. Okay. Purification of the crude metal. The metal obtained by the reduction of a ore usually contaminated with impurities like unchanged ore. Other metals present in the ore are non-metals from the anions of the ore. For example, blister, copper obtained from sulfide ore, or a compound of copper iron pyrites, contains some copper sulfide, iron and sulfur. It is purified by suitable methods, reduction, electrolytic methods. So here distillation, pooling, liquefaction, electrolytic refining. Distillation, this method is very useful for purification of low boiling metals like zinc and mercury containing high boiling metals like impurities. Okay, the pooling, the molten liquid is stirred with the logs of a green wood. The impurities are removed either as a gases, or they get oxidized and form a slag over the surface of molten metal. Blister copper is purified by this method. The reducing agents evolved from the wood prevent the oxidation of a copper. Liquefaction, in this method yellow melting metal can be made to flow on a soapy surface to separate from high melting impurities. Electrolytic refining, in this method the impure metal is made to act as a cathode, and a strip of the same metal in a pure form is act as a in this method impure metal is taken as a anode, and strip of the pure metal same metal is taken as a cathode. They are put in suitable electrolytic cell, and the metals containing soluble same elements, the required metal get deposit on the cathode. So these are the four methods to the corrosion. You know that any substance getting rusted and forms corresponding oxides in presence of moisture and air is said to be a corrosion. Corrosion can be prevented by painting and by adding a chemical bisphenol or by electroplating. And this most important activity also you need to discuss. Some important process in the next class we'll discuss, children. Till that, whatever I taught, just you read. Concentration, hand picking, washing, fourth flotation, magnetic subtraction, extraction of top series activity series, and middle activity series, low activity series. Okay children, thank you.